So if the vector A bar is 3i plus alpha j plus k, and the vector B bar is alpha I minus alpha j plus 3k, and area of the parallelogram made by A bar and B bar on adjacent sides is 8 root 3, then A bar dot B bar is equal to what is? So here first you find here A bar cross B bar is. A bar cross of the vector B bar is equal to determinant of so I, j and k, 3 alpha 1. So 3 alpha 1 here, 1 minus alpha 3, 1 minus alpha 3 here. Then expand it here, so it gives I into 3 into alpha becomes 3 alpha, minus alpha into 1 becomes minus of alpha, minus minus plus alpha, minus of j into 3 into alpha, 3 these are 9 here, so right here 9, minus 1 ones are 1 here, plus k into bracket here, 3 into alpha, 3 alpha, minus of 3 alpha, and alpha ones are alpha here, so minus of alpha here. Therefore this is equal to, it is a 4i minus of 8j here, 4 alpha I, 4 alpha into I minus of 8j minus of 4 alpha into k. Then here I can take a 4 common factor here. So 4 is common here. So alpha I minus of 2j minus of alpha here, minus of alpha k. So given that area of a parallelogram here, area of parallelogram is equal to 8 root 3, they are already given here. Therefore area of the parallelogram is modulus of A bar cross of B bar is equal to 8 root 3. A bar cross B bar is this vector. Its modulus is 4 into root of alpha square here. Then plus minus 2 square becomes 4 plus here, and again minus alpha square is alpha square here, that is equal to 8 root of 3 here. 4 ones are 4 twos are cancels here. Then squaring here, squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides, alpha square plus alpha square is 2 alpha square plus 4 is equal to 2 squares of 4 into root 3, 4 3s are 12 here, is 12. Therefore 2 alpha square 12 minus 4 becomes 8 here. Therefore alpha square is equal to 4 here. Alpha square is equal to 4. Therefore in this case A bar dot B bar, we want A bar dot of B bar is equal to 3 into 1 becomes 3 here. So right here 3. Alpha into minus alpha, minus of alpha square here. Then 1 into 3 becomes 3 plus 3 here. But alpha square is 4. Therefore this equal to 3 minus 4 plus 3 here. 3 plus 3 6 minus 4 becomes 3 here. Therefore A bar dot B bar is a clear. It is a numerical problem here. So they are not giving any options here. So A bar dot B bar is a clear. So if two vectors A1 bar and A2 bar are collinear vector, then a unit vector which is a parallel to xi plus yj plus zk can be 4 options are there. Therefore here they given A bar, A1 bar and A2 bar are collinear. Therefore we can write here A1 bar is equal to lambda into A2 bar A1 bar is xi minus of j plus k is equal to lambda into A2 bar means multiply each element by lambda n. Lambda I plus lambda y into j plus lambda z into k. Then equating I, j, k coefficient here x is equal to lambda n. X is equal to lambda minus 1 is equal to lambda into y. Minus of 1 is equal to lambda y minus 1 by lambda is equal to y. Then 1 is equal to lambda into zf. Therefore 1 by lambda is equal to zf. Okay. Then we want a unit vector parallel to the vector xi plus yz plus zk. So unit vector parallel to x into I plus y into j plus z into k, that is equal to, so xi plus yj plus zk divided by root of x square plus y square plus z square here. Here x is lambda, so lambda I. Y is minus 1 by lambda, minus 1 by lambda into z. Z is 1 by lambda here plus 1 by lambda into k divided by, then the root of, so lambda square, x is lambda here, so lambda square, y square is there, so plus 1 divided by lambda square here, plus 1 divided by lambda square here. You just observe the each and every options here. Denominator root 3, root 3, root 2 and root 3 is there. Suppose if you put lambda value 1 here, we get root 3 here. Therefore, for lambda is equal to 1 here. For lambda is equal to 1. So this gives 1 means I minus of j plus k divided by root of 1 plus 1 here. Therefore 1 by root 3 into I minus j plus k. Then obviously the first option is correct.